Welcome back. We are now in St. Augustine, Florida. It's a very beautiful place.
Going into town.
Once upon a time, there was a spooky scare. Look at him.
Subscribe to this channel.
Oh, you failed. You only get 3 shots. He's laughing. Cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak?
Like in Florida. Word.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if I dip you guys underwater. If you'll see anything, tell us. Anything?
Come on.
Or just don't answer me.
Alright, broski. If these are too short, that's on you. I'm
Okay.
cutting them.
New counters.
Ethan, where are we going?
Skate park. Welcome back to Ethan News, and behind me is Castillo de San Marcos. It was built in 1672. This is the biggest fort made out of stone, and a fire-off cannon in the U.S.
Wow. Haircuts at night, bit risky. Let's show you guys how my hair is after this. I don't know if I'm gonna even have any hair. New cuts, let's see them. Just the sides for me, because in one future video, I will be rocking a man son.
A man's son. What?
Looking good.
What's your least favorite part of living on the water?
This.
Is there towels, you said?
Like that backpack doesn't get wet.
never leaving this place.
Where are we right now?
More south.
St. Augustine.
It was a good stay.
We're off to more ball.
Like right in the center right now.